Hello there, this is the unboxing of the Dead Island Definitive Collection Slaughter Pack for PlayStation 4. In this big box it's included the Dead Island Definitive Edition, Dead Island Riptide Definitive Edition, Dead Island Retro Revenge, zombie figurine approximately 15 centimeters, fan weapon and poster. It's slightly big box, which inside have the pictures of the game. Left also, this is the bottom. From the back side we can see the definitive features. Luscious improved graphics and game models, glorious 1080p resolution and photorealistic lighting system with physically based shading. I've never seen this box before. It's the one of the cheapest one with figurine you can buy for PlayStation 4. So let's dig in. Let's open this. Okay. This looks very nice. Let's see. Oh, it's the box in the box. Oh yeah. So let's see this is assume the poster. Oh, and it's the big one. Oh yeah, this is the very big one poster. Approximately 1 meter. Nice. And the main features. So if we open this. So this is the main disc. Here you have physical copy of Definitive Edition first two games and Retro Revenge, or I assume that Riptide. Yes, the Riptide version is not on this disc. You got the code, I assume. It's the code inside. So let's open that also. Oh yes, there is a code. There is a code for Riptide. And this is the disc. Figurine. Oh, it's very nice. Very beautiful statue, as you can see. Nice details. Nice. This is some kind of the ventilator. Is this working or not? Oh yeah, there is a button. You can see on off. When you press it to on, it's working. Nice for hot summer. Is it stable? That's it, folks. So yeah, The statue looks like this. This is the ventilator. This is the media and the big poster. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.